Hello everyone, we are doing question tags. So let's continue with the same topic today also in part number 3 of question tags. So dear kids, we have learnt many rules that how we form the question tags in the different statements. There we learnt about simple sentences also, the sentences which are having letters or any objective case type of pronoun. So we understood different ways that which type of question tag and what are the helping verbs and what are the pronouns we have to use for making the question tags. So today we will continue with the same thing. The next point which we have to learn today is, so today we will discuss the 3 important points to form the question tags. So let's understand that. So as I've told you, the question tags are the small questions which are used to get the confirmation of the listener, right? So that is known as question tags, and these are used in colloquial language also. So let's talk about that. Next rule says that if in the statement, okay, the words like everybody, somebody, anybody, nobody, none, right? If such type of verbs you will get in the statements. So what are the verb? What is the kind of verb which is used with these words? That is what? Always singular. Everybody is doing. Everybody is talking. Everybody was busy in gossiping. Anybody is there? Something like that, right? So what you have noticed here, that the helping verb or the verb whatever used here is positive always in the statements, right, or in the sentence generally whatever we do, right? कि अगर हमें कोई sentence लिखना भी है तब भी हम everybody के साथ, anybody के साथ और ये जितने भी words हैं सभी के साथ we use is, means it may be is, it may be was, it may be speaks, it may be whatever I want to say, that is the singular verb. इन सभी के साथ हम लोग सिंगुलर वर्ब यूज़ लगाते हैं, करते हैं. इस भी हो सकता है, वॉज भी हो सकता है, कुछ भी वर्ब मेन वर्ब है उसके साथ एस लगाएंगे, लाइक स्पीक्स हो गया, राइट्स हो गया, समथिंग लाइक दैट. लेकिन व्हेन वी जस्ट वांट टू फॉर्म द क्वेश्चन टैग, राइट, फ्रॉम दीज स्टेटमेंट्स, सो you have to keep this in mind always, this is quite important. Then when we will add the question tag here, the verb will be plural, the verb will be plural and the subject will be they, right? Everybody hai yahan, suppose everybody is gossiping, so everybody is gossiping, everybody के साथ लग गया is, ये तो था स्टेटमेंट में. लेकिन जब हम उसको टैग में चेंज कर रहे हैं तो जो इज़ था वो क्या हो जाएगा, इज़ को किस में चेंज करेंगे, हम लोग आर में चेंज कर देंगे, ठीक है. और जो सब्जेक्ट है, जो एवरीबडी है, उसको हम किस में चेंज कर देंगे, दे में चेंज कर देंगे. सो लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड विद द हेल्प ऑफ एग्जाम्पल्स. So here this is the formation in the statement I have given, that the verb used here in the statement, that is verb plus singular verb, right? And here it is what? It is verb हो जाएगी plural और subject हो जाएगा they. Everyone was shouting. Everyone was shouting. This is the statement given to us. Now what we have to do, this was, we have to check it is was or is or that. So here it is was, and what is the plural form of was? That is were, right? So this is the main change here, that is were. Okay. Now what is the subject we have to do? Here it is everyone, right? तो हम वर के साथ सिंगुलर तो नहीं यूज़ कर सकते हैं, तो प्लूरल, इसका जो प्लूरल प्रोनाउन होगा वो क्या यूज़ करना है हमें, मतलब ये तो ज़रूरी है ही, यहाँ आप कुछ और नहीं यूज़ कर सकते हो. सो एवरीबडी को हमने चेंज कर दिया प्लूरल में, राइट. सो वर दे इज़ द क्वेश्चन टैग एडेड टू दिस. नेक्स्ट इज एवरीबडी इज़ डूइंग हिज वर्क. Once again the same thing, but here it is given is, means present में है. So what is the plural form of this? That is are, right? So this we have to carry here and the plural form of that, right? Are, and once again everybody है, तो what we have to change? They. Are they? Okay, like this. So this is the special rule actually you can say, or very important rule where people generally do the mistake. लोग क्या करते हैं, यहाँ से helping verb उठा लेते हैं क्योंकि वहाँ लगता है कि helping verb है तो सही, लेकिन प्रॉब्लम क्या है कि हमें इस हेल्पिंग वर्ब को क्या बनाना है, प्लूरल बनाना है और सब्जेक्ट यूज करना है दे, राइट. वन मोर रूल, टैग इज ऑलवेज फॉर्म्ड फ्रॉम द मेन पार्ट ऑफ द सेंटेंस. From the main part of the sentence, you must have noticed here also. So let's see, this is the example given to you. I think, comma, she is doing her work. Now as I told you, the role of main verb and the helping verb is there to form the question tags, right. But here in this sentence you can guess that there you can get that two verbs are given. One is think and second is also. The question is this कि which verb we have to carry as the target to add the tag, right. So what is the main part of the sentence? I think she is doing her work, right. So what is the main part of the sentence of the statement? That she is doing her work. So यहाँ पे इस part of the sentence में the helping verb used is what? That is. राइट. सो हम यहाँ थिंक को नहीं लेंगे, मतलब हम डू नहीं यूज़ करेंगे क्योंकि थिंक है तो वो फर्स्ट यूज़ करना है. सो नो, दैट इज़ रॉन्ग. what we will carry the verb used in the main part of the sentence, that is what is, right. So that is your choice. You want to make it positive, here you have to do negative actually. She is doing her work, right. So because the statement is positive, you have to change that into negative, but here you can use anything. So she is doing her work. So what is that? Is. And what is the negative form? Short form? Isn't. And what is the subject? That is she. We have to change that into pronoun, that is already she. So isn't she? Clear? Next one is, mom thinks you are not intelligent. So mom thinks, this is one part of the sentence, but this is not main part. So the verb used here, thinks, right, where we can apply does, but are we free to do this? No, because this is not main part of the sentence. Main part of the sentence is you are not intelligent. You are not intelligent. Now the sentence given here is what? That is negative, right, and the helping verb is what? Are here, are not. What is the rule? That we have to make it positive. So what is the positive? Are we have to carry here, that is are, right, क्योंकि ऑलरेडी सेंटेंस में स्टेटमेंट में नॉट है तो हमें यहाँ पॉजिटिव करना है, अफर्मेटिव करना है. सो आर नॉट इंटेलिजेंट, आर नॉट नहीं यूज़ करेंगे हम, आरंट नहीं यूज़ करेंगे, आर, and the subject is what? You, that we have to change in pronoun already given, that is you. So are you? Okay, so this was the special rule actually, which generally people do not discuss. So just take the screenshot, and one more rule we have to do. After that we will do the exercises related to this, but before that take the screenshot, note it down. Now the next and very important point to add the question tags in the statements. So here this rule says that if the statements, I have told you earlier too, ST, this is the abbreviation I have taken for statement. Statement, if the statement is having words like hardly, scarcely, rarely, seldom, not, you have already discussed, never, etc. So all those words I am talking about here, which usually give the negative sense, right. So if these words are used, given there in the statements where you have to add the question tags, please always keep in mind that these words already give the sense which is negative, right. So when we have read that, we did the rule, the first rule was that कि जहाँ पे भी नेगेटिव सेंस होती है हम लोग क्वेश्चन टैग जब ऐड करते हैं तो उसको पॉजिटिव ही बनाते हैं. इट इज़ नॉट नेसेसरी कि हमेशा नॉट ही दिया होगा, ठीक है. ये सभी वर्ड्स हार्डली, स्कैर्सली, रेयरली, सेल्डम, नेवर, these words also give the negative sense. So wherever these words are used in the statements, you have to use affirmative tag in the statements. This is very important rule. let's understand with the help of examples. Number one is she hardly speaks English. Now hardly is there means what is the meaning कि वो कभी बहुत मुश्किल से मतलब बोलती ही नहीं है English, right? So she hardly speaks English. The sentence or the statement given here the negative sense, because if we are not having this word she speaks English, so that's okay. This is giving the positive sense. So here we can add the negative question tag. But if this word is there, so occurrence of this word is adding is converting this sentence into negative. It is giving the negative sentence. So all those sentences which give the negative sense, there we have to use affirmative question tag. So hardly is the word by which we can take the help that this is a negative sentence and the tag will be affirmative. Now she hardly speaks. Now we have to check the verb or the helping verb, right? So here helping verb is missing. The main verb given is what? Speaks, and I have told you where there is verb first you have to use do, where there is verb first plus s or es you have to use does, and where there is verb second you have to use what? Did, right? And this is the case only in two tenses, present simple and past simple, right? So just see what is that. It is speaks means verb first plus s, that is what? Does, right? So what is the helping verb? What is the verb we have to take here? That is does. Now we cannot write down does not, right? We cannot use doesn't here because negative statement it is. So doesn't. Now what is the subject? That is she, already pronoun, so we will do does she, right? And question mark in the end. Next is barking dogs seldom bite. So this is also negative. Now barking dogs seldom bite. Here the verb is what? Bite, and bite is what? First verb, right? And when there is verb first, what we have to do? We have to use do. So what we will do, and where we are talking about dogs, so it is plural, we will do they. Do they? Okay. So barking dogs seldom bite. Do they? That is the answer. You have never lied to me. You have never lied to me. Now again never word is the negative sense it is given, and the helping verb used here is in the short form it is given you have. We is written. It means what it is? It is the short form of have. So here the helping verb is have. Clear? So what you will do here, that positive helping verb you will take have, and what is the subject? That is you. So that is already pronoun. So have you, okay, and question mark in the end. So these were the rules, and last 3-4 rules are really very important, and generally people do mistake there. So please make the notes of this, note it down your notebook and learn again and again, revise that again and again. So in the next video we will do the exercises related to question tags. Till then please learn all the rules related to question tags, that how we form the question tags. Thank you very much for today. Take the screenshot. Stay safe, stay happy.